Alright guys, and here is a Dhow required, right? Take crocodile hide. So Dhow is basically one of your level 1 boats. So this is the Dhow, or Dhow if you pronounce it. So in order to get those crocodiles, you need those Dhow. And to get the crocodile, you have to come right here. Not some other places, right? Exactly right in this position. Because I missed my shots. I missed all the shots. Oh, dude. Wait, let me... I don't know if it's gonna work, but I have to try. I might die now. Oh, I got it. So every time he's charging, you have to hit him. Slow down. Like every time he's gonna like jump out, you have to hit him. That's the strategy. Oh. See? So I dodge him twice. I parry that. Kind of parry that. He's hard. He's kind of hard. Oh. Now make sure you use your repair kits because you need it more than anything else. And keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Oh, dude. I'm gonna die right now because... Oh, that's good. That's actually good. Oh, can I use it? Nice. That's actually good. That was so good. I'm not gonna lie, that was so good. It's so hard. So I just needed 2 repair kits and I came this position. I got it.